Hello student, a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to do a new method, that is cross multiplication method, to solve linear equation in two variable. As we know that this topic has been removed from your mathematics, that is 30% of your mathematics syllabus has been removed. So this topic has been removed from your syllabus, and we know that linear equation in two variable can be solved by two methods, that is first one is graphical method and second one is algebraic method. And algebraic method contain three methods, that is substitution, elimination and cross multiplication. So for the general knowledge or for the extra knowledge, and we have to study cross multiplication method, है ना. तो ये नहीं सोचना है कि वो सिलेबस में नहीं है, एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आएगा तो नहीं पढ़ना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, हमको सीखना है. ठीक है, तो चलते हैं. क्या है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. ठीक है, तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड में सबसे पहले तो जेनरिक फॉर्म हम लोग पढ़े हुए हैं, लिनियर इक्वेशन इन पेयर ऑफ लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल. तो जेनरिक फॉर्म का मतलब क्या होता है? जनरल फॉर्म. तो जनरल फॉर्म अगर हमारे पास एक इक्वेशन होगा तो a1x, x का कोफिशिएंट a1 है, प्लस b1y प्लस कांस्टेंट एक होगा c1 मान लेते हैं, और ये 0 के बराबर होता है. दिस इज योर जनरल फॉर्म एंड दिस इज योर जेनरिक फॉर्म ऑफ linear equation in two variable. Another equation, that is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is your another equation. Now for finding the solution of x and y, we have to do by the diagram you can understand, that is x, y and 1. We write this, है ना. So okay, now in the place of here that we can write b1 b2. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करेंगे b से. b के बाद क्या होता है? सिंपली देखो, लॉजिक कहता है कि b के बाद c आता है, तो हम c पुट कर देंगे. ठीक है, c के बाद आता है d. तो यहाँ पे कोई भी ऐसा वेरिएबल है जो d है? नहीं है. तो c के बाद फिर कहाँ आ जाएगा? a के पास. तो a1 a2, है ना. a के बाद फिर क्या आएगा? b1 b2. ठीक, एंड क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होगा अब तो ऊपर से ये. ठीक है ना. तो b1 इससे हुआ और ये इससे हुआ, c1 a2 से, c2 a1 से, a1 b2 से, a2 b1 से. ठीक है, तो x डिवाइडेड बाय, if we multiply b1 and c2 it becomes b1 c2. okay, minus sign comes here in the formula, b2 c1, so b2 c1. okay, clear? That is equal to y divided by c1 a1 c1 sorry a2 minus c2 a1. okay, that is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. okay, from here you can write, therefore x is equal to, see, if we compare this because we have we have one variable over here, that is x, and we don't have here the variable, that's why we are comparing this, है ना. तो this is equal to this is also equal to this, है ना. if we find the value of y, then we can compare these two, है ना. If we find the value of x, then we can compare these two and we get the another value. So here we have unknown variable x and y, so we will compare x with this one and y with this one. So x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is your the value or solution of this linear equation. Okay, y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, like that you can solve any type of equation, and if that equation is in this form, then you can implement this, है ना, methods. Otherwise you have to modify the equation to make that equation in this general form, है ना. तो एक क्वेश्चन हम ट्राई करते हैं, आप देखिए इसको अच्छे से, वीडियो पॉज करके आप देख सकते हैं. See, we have two equation over here with two variable, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 17, 3x minus 2y is equal to 6. So we have to solve this by using cross multiplication method. First of all, we will see the value of a1, b1 and c1 and a2, b2 and c2. So we have to change this, or we can write this 2x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we can see that the value of a1 is equal to 2. The coefficient of x of the first equation is known as the value of a1, है ना. The value of b1 is 3 and the value of c1 is minus 17. तो आप बोलिएगा सर कि आपने इसमें क्यों नहीं किया, इसमें आपने a1, b1 एंड c1 का वैल्यू क्यों नहीं लिया. इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत बच्चे लोग क्या करेंगे, c1 का वैल्यू प्लस 17 ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, क्यों, क्योंकि प्लस दिख रहा है यहाँ, हमको इक्वल टू 0 होगा तब हम वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 0 करने पे 17 इस साइड आया तो माइनस 17 हो गया. ठीक है, तो c1 का वैल्यू कितना हो गया, माइनस 17. अगर आप पॉजिटिव 17 लेते हैं, है ना, तो क्या होगा, आंसर रॉन्ग आएगा, सॉल्यूशन रॉन्ग आएगा और आप कंफ्यूजन में रहिएगा. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे इस इक्वेशन को देखो, तो a2 का वैल्यू कितना है, 3 है, b2 का वैल्यू कितना है, माइनस 2 है एंड c2 का वैल्यू कितना है, माइनस 6 है. नाउ वी विल यूज दिस diagram, that is x, y and 1. We will do cross multiplication. First of all we will write b1 b2, है ना, c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू क्रॉस. देखो बहुत बच्चे लोग क्या करते हैं, इसको इससे करते हैं, फिर इसको इससे नहीं, ऊपर से नीचे करेंगे, नीचे से ऊपर. ठीक है, ये ठीक है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, वैल्यू लिख देंगे x, ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय द वैल्यू ऑफ v1 c2 माइनस b2 c1, ओके, इज इक्वल टू y डिवाइडेड बाय c1 a2 माइनस c2 a1 is equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. ठीक है, x divided by c, the value of b1 and c2, b1 is 3 and c2 is minus 6, that becomes minus 18 and minus is already in the formula. b2 is minus 2 and c1 is minus 17, तो माइनस माइनस पॉजिटिव एंड 17 2 जा 34. is equal to y divided by, see the value of C1 is -17 and the value of A2 is 3, है ना, तो 17 51 that is -51 minus in the formula that is C2, the value of C2 is -6 and the value of A1 is 2 that is -12 is equal to 1 divided by A1 is 2, B2 is -2, तो -4 minus A2 is 3 and B1 is 3 that is 9. So x divided by, it becomes 2 carry 1 4 and 5 52 minus 52 is equal to y divided by -51 plus 12 is equal to 1 divided by -13. Therefore the value of x is equal to -52 by -13. ओके, आई थिंक 4 टाइम्स, है ना, तो x का वैल्यू कितना आ गया 4 एंड y इज इक्वल टू इट विल बी 9 and 4 3 39 minus 39 by minus 13, it becomes 3. The value of x is 4 and the value of y is 3. It is very easy, you can solve easily all the question by using cross multiplication method. Okay, we will do another question on these methods. See, we have another question based on this method. See, 2 divided by x plus 3 divided by y is equal to 13. Another equation that is 5 divided by x minus 4 divided by y is equal to -2. So we can solve, देखो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हमारे दिमाग में चलेगा कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक द एलसीएम दैट इज एक्स वाई एंड वी विल डू 2y प्लस 3x इज इक्वल टू 13xy, तो xy फिर आ जाता है साथ में, तो वो तो एक ये हो जाता है, जेनरिक फॉर्म नहीं है, जनरल फॉर्म नहीं है लीनियर इक्वेशन 2 वेरिएबल का, दैट विल बी डिफ़िकल्ट टू सॉल्व, है ना. सो वी कैन लेट, है ना, हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं सब्स्टिट्यूशन में भी, एलिमिनेशन में भी, लेट 1/x कैन बी लेट that is u and 1/y is equal to v. Okay, the equation becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 and that can be written as -13 is equal to 0. ठीक है, 5u -4v is equal to plus 2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, now we can use, here we have the variable that is u and v. First of all we will find the value of u and v, after that you will get the value of x and y. So you can write like this, u, v and 1 will do, that is b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 b1 b2, और ये बार बार लिखिएगा तो याद हो जाएगा कहाँ क्या होगा. ठीक है, now see the value of a1, we can write like this, u v1, है ना, the value of b1 is 3 minus 4, c1 that is -13, 2 5 and that is 3 minus 4. Okay, u divided by 3 2 जा 6 minus and minus minus plus 13 4 जा 52 is equal to b divided by 13 5 is minus 65 and minus 2 2 is 4 is equal to 1 divided by minus 4 2 is minus 8 and minus 15. So it becomes u है ना divided by c minus 46 is equal to v divided by minus 69. I think 69 is equal to 1 divided by minus 23. Therefore u is equal to minus 46 by minus 23, that becomes 2. Okay, v is equal to minus 69 divided by minus 23, that becomes plus 3. The value of u is 2 and the value of u we let, that is 1 by x and 1 by x. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and y is equal to 1 by 3 है ना. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is your solution. So you can solve the exercise, that is 3C, based on it. Okay, after that we will do graphical method to solve the linear equation. Okay, we have another exercise based on it, we will do. Okay, thank you class, have a nice day.